Hello everyone, I am Jimima, currently pursuing my first year BSc Nursing in SLS College of Nursing. Let me tell you about artificial intelligence found in oral hygiene. Artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence process by machines, especially computer systems. Specific application of artificial intelligence include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. Purpose of artificial intelligence: the exponential increase in performance and the ability to make a non-emotional based decision. Narrow artificial intelligence: an artificial intelligence systems which is not intended to match or extend the capabilities of human beings. Strong artificial intelligence: an artificial intelligence that match or exceeds human intelligence. Oral health. Oral health refers to the health of the teeth, gums and the entire oral facial system that allows it to smile, speak and chew. Some of the most common diseases that impact our oral health include cavities, gum disease and oral cancer. Purpose of oral hygienic: improving personal oral hygienic efforts to better care for the health of the patient. Oral health is an indicator of patient health. Patients are keeping in that stronger age is not a factor. Assisting patient with oral hygienic is an important route of the CNA. Artificial intelligence in dentistry on oral health. Early diseases diagnosis, optimized treatment plan, decision support, manufacturing and robotics, smart devices and education. Artificial intelligence brushing recognize enables 3D tracking of monitor. You are brushing across the front, top and back surface of your teeth across 16 zones of your mouth, guiding you to a throat clean. Magnetic technology combines micro-vibrating bristles with Oral-B dentist. Inspired round brush had a professional clean feeling that lasts all day. Superior gum production. Smart pressure sensor turns red when brushing too hard and green when brushing is just right to help keep gums protected. Compact magnetic charger has click-in space, stability and provides 3-hour quick charge. And get a superior clean with the Oral-B electric toothbrush that right for you. And used properly, electric toothbrush should not hurt your gums or enable buds in. Oral tumors can affect variant structure in mouth, such on the mucosa platelet, flora of the mouth, lung, lips, gums and bones. There are various triggers or cardiogenic agents such as tobacco, alcohol and radiation, human papillomavirus, etc. Cancer across various chronic agents act on cells, closing the genetic material, producing a mutation. This damaged cells can divided and multiple damage excessively in the body. Normally, the body controls the divisions and growth of cells. But if the balance of cell division and cell death is disturbed, a tumor has formed. A tumor can be cancerous or non-cancerous. A cancerous area can spread to another organ different from the one in which it started by blood or lymphatic vectors. This process is called meiosis. Early diagnosis diseases: cancer that forms in tissues of the oral cavity or the oropharynx, part of the throat at the back of the mouth. Early diagnosis diseases: cancer that forms in tissues of the oral cavity or the oropharynx, the part of the throat of the back of the mouth. Early detection of periodontal diseases. Periodontal, also called gum diseases, is a serious gum infection that diagnosis of the soft tissue and without treatment can destroy a bone that support your teeth. Periodontal can cause teeth to loosen or lead to teeth loss. Periodontitis is common but rarely preventable. Periodontal diseases. The first stage gum diseases is orogenitis or the gums inflammation without loss of bone. Second stage initial periodontal. Third stage middle periodontal. Fourth stage progressive periodontal. Oral cancer. A biopsy is the only way to know for sure that oral cavity or oropharynx cancer is present. A sample of tissues on cell is always needed to confirm a cancer diagnosis before treatment is started. Several types of biopsies may be used depending on each case. The only way to definitively determine whether you have oral cancer is to remove some abnormal cells. Orthodontic treatment plan. Before treating a patient, an orthodontist secrets an individual treatment plan based on the multiples of factors. The eruption pattern and positions of the teeth and the shape of the face and jaw and the patient goals. Dental implant robot. Robotic implants are the promising technological advancement that may pave the way for the safe and capable method of tissues regeneration. Research engineered the tested robotic implants that fit over the emphasis to determine if they can help tissues group and regeneration. Smart devices, smart toothbrush, Oral-B smart toothbrush. An electric toothbrush is a toothbrush that makes rapid automatic presto motions, either back and forth oscillations and rotation oscillation in order to clean teeth. Motion at sonic speed or below are made of by motor. In the case of ultrasonic toothbrush, ultrasonic motions are produced by a piezoelectric crystal, and modern electric toothbrush is usually powered by a rechargeable battery rod as the slow indicative charging when the brush sits in the charging base between users. Education. Smart dental unit. Dental care is the maintenance of healthy teeth and may refer to a oral hygienic. The practice of keeping the mouth and the teeth clean in order to prevent dental disorders. Dentistry is in professional care of teeth, including professional oral hygienic and dental surgery. Thank you all for watching my video.